One dessert which has been going viral and I'm absolutely obsessed with is an upside down cheesecake. It's no bake, it's simple to put together and looks stunning. And today I'm sharing a mango version of it which is so delicious. So let's get started. Okay, so let's first make the base of the cheesecake, for which you need about 26 biscuits. I'm going to roughly break them and put them into a blender and then blend them into a fine powder. This looks good. Now let's put in some melted butter and mix it again so that all of those biscuit crumbs are nicely and evenly coated in the butter. And now I have a 6-inch springform pan here and I'll transfer half of this biscuit mixture into it and then using my fingers start spreading it up around the edges of this pan. Alright, so the edges are done. I am now going to put rest of the biscuit mixture into the center and press it down either using my fingers or a ramekin like this. Okay, so this is ready. I'm going to go put this in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes so it sets properly, and meanwhile we shall start making the delicious filling for the cheesecake. The first thing we need for the filling of the cheesecake is some softened cream cheese. Into this I'm adding 1/4 cups of melted white chocolate along with condensed milk. And now you can use a whisk if you like. I'm using an electric mixer to mix all of this together until it's nice and smooth and there are no lumps. Alright, and now into this I'm going to fold in 1 cup of whipped cream. I've done a detailed video on how to make whipped cream at home. I'm going to link it in the caption so you can go check it out. And at this stage, I am simply going to use my spatula to fold it in without deflating the cream. The filling is ready. I am going to scoop half of this into my set biscuit base and then spread it out. On top of this, I am going to put some mango puree. If you want, you could use a berry compote or a pistachio paste. Basically work with the flavors that you love and then finish it off with the rest of the cheesecake filling. Spread it out, and now this goes into the fridge for at least 8 to 9 hours so it sets properly or overnight. I already made and put one in the fridge yesterday to set. So now let's carefully turn it upside down and then demold the sides first and then lift the plate off. And now it's time for the most fun and the most satisfying part. I'm going to use a spoon and break into this cheesecake. I personally love this fun twist to a classic cheesecake, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. If you make this delicious no-bake version in your kitchen, make sure you share a picture with me on Instagram and tag me at Shivesh17. And if you want to watch more of these delicious recipe videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week.